If you're a beginner and want to know that how you can use Uber application without any problem just on your device here, so let's start this video. To open Uber application, that is a taxi and that is a food fleet platform where you can order food for you, where you can order or book cabs for you. First of all, you need to check that if you have updated the latest version of Uber or not. If not, just go to the App Store or Play Store, anyone if you have, and then simply update your Uber application from there. After updating it, what you have to do is open your application manager and open Uber app in front of you. Please make sure there is a two Uber application, that is Uber Lite and the Uber. You have to download only Uber application. As I have opened my Uber account here, the first left option is ride. If I want to ride to somewhere, I want to book a cab, and on the right there is option to Uber Eats. If you want to order any food for you, you can order it. But we will click on the account section on the very right bottom of the screen. That is my profile. You have to sign in with your number, and to book cabs you have to enter the destination because it will automatically fetch your current location. You have to enter the destination and book a cab for you. The rate will be displayed in front of you here. Now this is about the cabs. Click on Eats, that is Uber Eats. You can simply order food from here. These are the services Uber offers. This is your activity. As you can see, these are my last trips I have done. This is my account. This is help center and wallet. So this is quite simple. You can do it very easily. If you have any problem with it, please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates.